Hi, Osteoporosis Canada Ontario team. My name is Patricia Regier, and I am very excited to be your guest speaker at your employee retreat on May 17th. We are going to be talking about how to transform attitudes into action. I know that you work with seniors, caregivers, colleagues, and partner organizations, and many of the people that you work with day in and day out are lovely. But I also know that some people can be challenging. So we are going to explore your Power to Guide. I know that you're doing many things right, so this information will add to your experience and skills and provide you with additional tips and techniques. I think it's awesome that you come together to invest in your learning and professional development, as well as team building. At Regier Educational Services, we love to create light bulb moments within fantastic learning experiences. It is such a pleasure to work with teams of coworkers that are dynamic and enjoy working together and make a difference in people's lives. So I look forward to seeing you soon.